Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you're enjoying watching my videos. Okay, so I know that Hurricane Hilary hit Southern California after making landfall in Mexico, and it is the first tropical storm ever hit California since 1940. The last tropical storm hit Southern California was 1939. So it is pretty rare for tropical storm hit California. And so far there is no landfall in California except tropical storm in 1939. And also it's Hurricane Hilary, tropical storm Hilary brought a tremendous amount of rain, at least 2 inches of rain in coastal and valley areas. And in the mountains and in the desert, uh, Tropical Storm Hilary brought 4 to 10 inches of rain. So there were flooding in the mountains and desert. And there was strong wind. It was very windy in the mountains and the desert too, due to tropical storm hit California. So yeah, so that's why there were tropical storm warning in Southern California before it hit Southern California, and at first it was forecast that there is high chance of possibility that it's going to make landfall in Southern California. But as we get closer, um, it made landfall in Mexico, and then hit Southern California. So yeah, so it is more common uh, for tropical storm to hit in eastern United States and southern in United States, but it's very rare to hit California. And also, it could some tropical storms and remnants hit in Arizona too. The reason why tropical storm rarely hits California because the ocean water temperature is very cold. It's below 80 Fahrenheit. It needs to be at least 80 Fahrenheit in order to maintain the strength of hurricane. So that's why whenever hurricane was coming, since it hit cooler waters, it rapidly uh, weakened. So that's why it becomes remnants of hurricane or tropical storm. So that's why it usually brings partly to mostly cloudy skies and some rain in the mountains and deserts during the summer. And during the fall, um, it can bring some showers too. Okay, so I hope that you enjoyed my video, and comment down below and subscribe. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.